Pickles.
Okay.
Then what's next?
Probably
Marshmallows.
okay.
But I don't know how to get it open. You help me, Dad. Yeah. There. Now is this next?
Maybe the chips.
Yeah, maybe the chips. I think the chips are at the end.
Oh, do you? Okay.
No, bring it now. Maybe just one, guys.
Okay.
Maybe just two. I think just two. Now the chocolate
Finale.
syrup. The chocolate syrup is at the end.
You need some help?
Oh, that's better.
Yeah. I think I need help with it because it's kind of messy.
Okay. You tell me when to stop.
Stop. Cool.
Oh man, that looks delicious.
That does look delicious.
Can you pick the plate up and hold it up for me? I'll take a picture of your finished product. Can you look at me? That looks great, Brittany. Are you gonna try it?
How are you going to eat it now?
Oh, it's tough.
Ah,
How is it?
it is good.
Is it? Super good? It's pretty messy, huh?
Good job holding it over the plate, though.
Is it the best sandwich you've ever had?
Mm-hmm. It's the best sandwich I ever had. That.
It does look, huh?
This will be good.
You better get into those pickles, too. Just going for the chips.
This looks good.
And it tastes good too? Uh-oh. Maybe you should fold it in half with the stuff in it. Oh dear.
Hang on.
Daddy's coming to help.
I would need more chocolate syrup if I would put it back on. It's actually good.
Extra good?
Mom, can I have any rest for this?
Well, we'll see.
Better eat the whole thing. That's a lot to eat.
No, it's not.
You can handle it.
I can handle it. Go. It's very good.
Really?
I like it.
I never would have guessed.
You would never have this before.
No, we haven't ever.
We all have it.
No, none of us have. You might be the only one to ever have it.
Yeah. I have making this.
You what?
I'm making this today.
Uh-huh. First time ever.
First time. I like it.
Good.
I very much like it, so you can have one.
I don't know if I would like it as much as you like it though.
Dad, would you like it much?
I don't think so, sweetie.
But who would like it much?
Just you, I think.
Here. You guys, here's the choices. You guys can have just little one. And then if you want more, you can have more. Or a little piece. Then after that, you can have one more and then that's it. It's free.
I think I lost track of my choices.
You want one or two or three?
Or none.
None.
And,
Dad, you want?